Hello students, this is your science revision video. In this video, we will revise Unit 6, Motion and Electricity. These are the devices used for time measurement. In the ancient times, people used sundials, sand clocks and water clocks. The modern devices are pendulum clocks, analog watches and digital watches. Let us see the difference between distance and displacement. Distance is the total length of the path, whereas displacement is the change in the position with respect to initial position. Distance can't be negative, but displacement can be positive, 0 or negative. The speed of an object is defined as the distance covered by the object per unit time. Speed is equal to distance covered upon time taken. The SI unit of speed is meter per second. When we travel in a car or any other vehicle, the speed don't remain constant. It keeps on changing. Sometimes it increase and sometimes it decrease. In that case, we calculate the average speed of the car. Average speed is equal to total distance covered upon total time taken. Its SI unit is also meter per second. When an object moving in a straight line cover equal distance in equal intervals of time, the object is said to be in uniform motion. And when it travels unequal distances in equal intervals of time, it is said to be in non-uniform motion. Resistance is the property of conducting materials to oppose the flow of current. It depends on the following factors: the type of material, the thickness of wire, the length of the wire. A current overload occurs when there is a sudden surge of current through an electric circuit, when the current suddenly increases. Now, it can increase due to two reasons: plugging in too many electrical appliances in a single socket, and the another reason is a short circuit. In these cases, what happens? It is very dangerous for the appliances which are connected. To solve this issue, there is one electric fuse. It is connected between the appliance and the source of electricity. The electric fuse is made up of a fuse wire which has very low melting point. When an electric current passes through this wire, it heats up. Electric fuses are one of the most important safety devices. They have a fuse wire inside them to stand a certain value of electric current passing through it. If the current increases more than its value, it melts down and the current stops flowing. This saves appliances from damage due to a sudden surge of current. This was the working of electric fuse. An electromagnet is made from soft iron core that is wrapped in coils of an insulated conducting wire. When an electric current flows through the wire, the coil behaves like a strong magnet, and as soon as the current is switched off, the coil loses its magnetism and becomes normal. The strength of an electromagnet depends on the following factors: the strength of the current flowing through the coil. If the current is more, then the strength is also more. The number of turns in the coil. The greater the number of turns, the greater is the strength of electromagnet. And the material of the core. The strength, when magnetic materials are used, the strength is greater. And when we use non-magnetic material, then its strength is lesser. You can revise these three rules. These are the uses of electromagnets. You can see. That's it for today, students. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.